Hello, I'm Dr. Pia Wong. I'm the Associate Dean for Research Engagement in the College of Education at Sacramento State. Today I'm standing in front of the Harper Alumni Center. We are having the Hats Off to Partners event today. It's a special event where we honor all of the partners in K through 12 public schools, in community organizations, and early childhood education programs at the community college with a party to celebrate the different ways in which they mentor our students and really extend their learning and their professional development. And we're also offering the Juliana Raskauskas Legacy Award Lecture by Dr. Meagan O'Malley. She'll be talking about school climate, and it's also a way for us to offer some interesting windows into current research for our school partners. We look forward to celebrating our special Partners of the Year, our many mentors out in the field who work with our students, Dr. Meagan O'Malley, the Juliana Raskauskas Legacy Award winner for this year. We are going to have a great party today celebrating all of our partners, and we know next year everybody will be back for another celebration.